Alright guys, so today we are going to install a 10.88 inch Android radio for the Chinese car Chery Tiggo, and this is the dash kit, and this is the head unit, okay, with 7 physical buttons, and this is the power harness with the combustible hooks. These are the USB ports, and this is the 4G antenna, and this is for the backup camera, and these are those RCA plugs. And this one is the mic, external mic. This one is the GPS antenna, and also we ordered this is a DVR for the radio, can be connected to the head unit to display the driving image. So this is what the car originally looks like. It has already a factory 7-inch radio, but it's not an Android system, so we're going to upgrade it. So we use this to pry it out, here and here, here, and then just take it out. Okay, we see here we get 2 plugs. This one is for the SD card, and this one is for these physical buttons, and they will be useless after installing the new radio. So we get 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then just remove the screen. Right, so pull it out, and this is the back of the factory radio, and after that we can see the plugs, and this is a factory radio antenna, this is the USB ports, and also some other harnesses. Okay, now let's take a quick look at this fantastic radio, just perfect, you see. A very clear, high resolution screen, and also let's so we can use navigation, and we can play music. Yes, and then also play video. Yeah, and the steering wheel control is all retained. Volume up, volume down, and the next one, and another one. Yes. So yeah. Also, we can use the radio station. And okay, let's take a look at the apps. Basically, you can install any kind of apps. Alright, let's just turn off. Okay. Okay, clear. Memory, and here, yeah. You can also use Apple CARPLAY in Android Auto, but we don't get that today, so we don't test it. And then just Google Chrome. And meanwhile, we have installed DVR camera, so we go wires from here to here, and to the glove box, and then it's a USB connection, so then you can just record everything while you are driving. And let's check this is the reverse camera image. The sensors are also retained. Okay, and what else? And if I open the door, you can see the door information is just displayed on the screen. And this is the factory USB port. It is also retained, so you can read music, read video, or files. Another feature is that we get two smartphone holders. You can just put your smartphone here. Okay, very firm. Okay, so here we get a USB port. You can connect USB to here, and here we get Type-C ports to recharge your phone or just read the files from your phone. So actually this is a universal radio, and with a dash kit and the custom harness, it can fit over 100 different cars. If you're interested, just contact us to know the details. Thank you for watching.